Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Tzerotone 12-pack glass food containers, perfect for meal prep and storage. This set includes 6 17-ounce glass jars with lids and spoons, plus 6 6-ounce jars with bamboo lids, ideal for portion control and precise measurements. Made from thickened 2.2 borosilicate glass, these clear containers let you easily see what's inside at a glance. The bamboo lids feature an airtight silicone loop to keep your food fresh and free from moisture and bugs. Designed with wide mouths, these jars make scooping and cleaning simple and convenient. Stackable and space-saving, they fit perfectly on your kitchen counter or in cabinets. Whether for overnight oats, tea, or coffee sugar, these versatile jars make organizing your kitchen stylish and efficient. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.